Imagine weaving through a sea of scooters in Hanoi, the taste of authentic steaming pho still on your lips. Vietnam isn't just a trip, it's a total sensory overload. From the mystical waters of Halong Bay to the rice terraces of Sapa, every single minute here is precious. But when you're exploring the other side of the world, time is your most limited resource. Missing out on an epic experience because of bad planning? Not on my watch. From the Great White North to the hidden alleys of Asia, I've traveled the globe and made all the rookie mistakes, so you don't have to. That's exactly why I'm launching this video series. I'm spilling all my secrets, my best hacks, hidden itineraries, and pro tips to maximize every single second of your travels, whether you're here in Vietnam or anywhere else on the planet. Less time planning, more time exploring. Hit that subscribe button, and let's go.